Hi, this is Kenneth Bossard of blackandbrownfolk.com with video one of my series, Mortgages for Black and Brown Folk. Obviously, these mortgages are great for anyone, but these have the added benefit of being available to all, for now, if you meet the underwriting criteria. A level playing field somewhat. I've worked as a mortgage loan officer for three of the largest banks in the U.S. Most of my career, I've been a renovation mortgage expert. At Wells Fargo, that meant other loan officers had to refer their renovation loans to me, the expert, because these loans do require a bit of training from the lender's side to grasp the full concept. Hopefully, I can make a complicated procedure simple by sticking to the important part. Why is this loan good for you and your community? There are several types of renovation loans. A mortgage broker, as opposed to a bank loan officer, will have access to all types. FHA 203K Standard Rehabilitation Loan, FHA 203K Limited Rehabilitation Loan, Freddie Mac Choice Renovation Loan, Fannie Mae Homestyle Renovation Loan, USDA Renovation Loan, and VA Renovation Loan. FHA and VA, as standard mortgage programs even outside of their renovation loan program, are two of my 5 best loans for Black and Brown folk. Government-backed loans are FHA, VA, and USDA. Every mortgage not guaranteed by the government is a conventional loan. Here's the part. You can build wealth through renovation loans. U.S. government housing agencies, local planning departments, and Jim Crow laws openly denied Black and brown populations access to mortgage finance, consigned our populations to less desirable and lower valued neighborhoods, valued our neighborhoods lower for appraisal purposes, and outright gave land to white citizens during the 100 years after slavery ended. That is an historical fact. Renovation loans allow us to buy a property using a golden rule of real estate investment. Buy the worst property in the best neighborhood and bring it up to standard. Why? Equity. Equity is the difference between what a property is worth for sale on the current market and what is owed from buying the property. You can create equity with renovation loans by buying a property below the market value and renovating with funds borrowed with the renovation loans. Here's an example. Say the home's value after improvement is $400,000, and you can buy the home as is, meaning it needs improvement, so that's why it's lower valued, for $280,000. Let's say the renovations that you need to bring this home up to market standard are $40,000. So you include the renovations in the loan. That's $280,000 to buy the property, plus $40,000 for renovation included in the loan. So now you have a $320,000 debt on the property or your new mortgage. The after improved value, as we said, is $400,000. So you took this property you bought for $280,000, put $40,000 in renovation into it. So now you've got $320,000 you owe on the property, and it's worth $400,000. You've just created $80,000 in equity. That's the $400,000 is worth minus $320,000 you owe. That means you could net $80,000 if you sold the home. That's $80,000 in added wealth for your family. And that is one of the ways we start bridging the wealth gap for Black and brown communities.